माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय वॉलंटियर्स के बीच में, एनसीसी कैडेट्स के बीच में पहुंच चुके हैं और हाथ मिलाने का सिलसिला शुरू हो चुका है। यही वो मौका है, यही वो अवसर है, यही वो समय है जिसका इन सभी को शायद बड़ी शिद्दत से इंतजार रहता है। और सही अर्थों में कहें तो देश के सर्वोच्च नेतृत्व को इतने करीब देखकर, उनसे प्रत्यक्ष संवाद करके सबका दिन बन जाता है। कई तो ये समझते होंगे कि उनका जीवन ही बन गया, और उनका ऐसा समझना बहुत हद तक सही भी है।
Now we have perhaps one of the most beautiful moments of the morning. The Prime Minister is among the people, greeting them, exchanging smiles, waving to them, and you can see the excitement on every face. For many here, this may be the first time they have seen the Prime Minister up and close. And just look at the children. Those wide smiles, those excited faces, those little waves. For them, this is not just another Independence Day. This is a memory they may carry with them for the rest of their lives. Years from now, they may look back and say, yeah, I was there. I saw the Prime Minister up and close.
Each and every one of those 2,500 plus students, cadets, young minds are facing towards one centric point. The person who encourages them, the person who looks after their future, who thinks about them, who talks about their future being the future of the country as well as humanity. That is exactly the person they are all looking at once. And now the Honorable Prime Minister swiftly moving towards the audience enclosure, where a surprising thing has happened. All the seats of the background have suddenly emptied because each and every one of the people have crammed at the railings of those enclosures. They all wish to see their honorable, their beloved Prime Minister. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, rather, for many of them, which might not come in their lifetimes again. The Prime Minister, whose address they had eagerly waited for, who addressed them, their dreams, their aspirations, who talked about their future, who talked about Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, who talked about Sankalp Se Samriddhi. That's exactly the moment of happiness which they're experiencing right now.
As the Prime Minister walks among the people, almost every phone in the crowd seems to be out, everyone trying to capture this special moment. A wave here, a smile there, and a quick greeting. People are recording videos, taking photographs, sharing the moment with those who could not be here. And you can feel the excitement building with every step the Prime Minister takes. This interaction has now become one of the most eagerly awaited moments of the Independence Day celebrations. Year after year, people look forward to seeing the Prime Minister step away from the formalities and come closer to the citizens, greeting them, acknowledging them, and sharing these spontaneous moments of connection. And perhaps that is why these moments feel so special.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय, सामान्य दर्शक दीर्घा में जितने भी ज़्यादा लोगों से मिल सकते हैं, उनके जितने नज़दीक जा सकते हैं, जा रहे हैं। और ये भी एक बड़ी दिलचस्प बात है कि जो आम जनमानस है, उन सभी के चेहरे पर ऐसे भाव हैं जैसे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री सिर्फ उन्हें ही देख रहे हों। सुरक्षा एजेंसियों के लिए, सुरक्षा कर्मियों के लिए थोड़ा चुनौतीपूर्ण दायित्व होता है ऐसे अवसर पर व्यवस्था को बनाए रखना, लेकिन ये स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह है, भारत का महा उत्सव है और यहाँ सभी की जिम्मेदारी, सबका उत्तरदायित्व, उसका निर्वहन पूरी निष्ठा के साथ करना एक बहुत बड़ी खासियत है। और वही विशेषता इस स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह को बेहद खास और उल्लेखनीय, अविस्मरणीय बनाती है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय सामान्य एनक्लोजर्स के बाद एक बार फिर से पहुंचे हैं युवा शक्ति के बीच में, प्रत्यक्ष संवाद करते हुए भी नजर आते हैं। और एक बार फिर से, चूंकि अब ये कुछ अंतिम क्षण हैं, तो हर कोई चाहता है कि वो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय के बहुत नजदीक आए, उनसे प्रत्यक्ष संवाद करे, उनके साथ सेल्फी ले। और यही वो यादें हैं जो जीवन भर वो अपने साथ रखेंगे। चिरस्मरणीय ये स्मृतियां हैं जिनको वो समेटकर इस स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह से अपने साथ ले जाएंगे।
The vision of a rising space sector, scientific research, sustainable living industries, green and non-fossil energy, never seen before, speed and scale of infrastructure development, record number of existing, expanding in new metro rail services, intra and intercity metros, the Namo Bharat, cleaner and greener stations, new freight corridors, indigenous locomotives for goods and passengers under the Vande Bharat scheme, a growing sports superpower, preferred destination for medical tourism, a major hub for aircraft and vessel repair, overhaul and maintenance. And these are just a few of the policies that the Prime Minister and his able government is doing for the country, for the future, for the power that they believe the future and the youth hold. Every greeting that the Prime Minister gets has a touch of class as well as culture. He knows that the children are happy, and that's what makes him happy.
The official ceremony may have its grandeur, but here among the people, it is wonderfully candid. Children trying to get a better view, some holding up a phone for a photograph. Sea of smiling young Indians, waving, smiling, reaching out to their own Prime Minister. And everyone hoping for that one brief moment of eye contact, a wave, perhaps even a greeting. For many, this will be their photograph of the day.
Priyadarshini, how do you say no to such innocent smiles? Is it possible?
I think each one of them will cherish this memory forever.